Guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm just, playing some Civil Defense 3.0. But I'm sorry that I haven't post a video yesterday because there was a big blackout in our house. But I'm here today. I'm just playing some games. That is perfect for my gaming YouTube channel. Here I'm just joining a random server, and then this is what I'm joining. My teammates. I have most of the characters, by the way, but even though I have more money, but I don't want to spend it. I want to grind some money, so I could just unlock the upgrade Titan 3D now, which is this one. Let me show you. This one. Sorry that it's a bit laggy because my internet sometimes cut out. I don't want. By the way, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe if you want more content like this. My team is so hard to load. And this game was recommended by DG. If you don't know him, check out his channel. He's a good person. But soon I want to be just like him. Bro, start this. As you can see, guys, I'm not really rich. I'm still grinding some coins. Dang, it's taking forever. I just find another one. I like this one. Wait, what? Why is he saying that my party has been added from modifiers? The sandbox. Infinite money credits. Gives you infinite money to test out your towers. No game plus modifiers. Let's see. Oh, chapter 2 modifiers. No, thank you. I'll just test chapter 1. Let me just see. Let me just wait for the player. let's start. Here we go, guys. And by the way, you were probably wondering, Rance, why are you just posting around 50 minutes? Because I haven't verified my YouTube account. And I have some troubles asking my dad to just, send it for me, but he's busy sometimes. That's why I just want to And by the way, did you guys remember when I said that I am going to post a video later on Saturday? I'm sorry guys, but we went to the beach. Let me say something. But guys, I'll be posting every day, but don't worry. You can like and subscribe to my channel. And by the way guys, can you please donate me and please donate? I don't really have much Robux. I only have 14 Robux. Good. Guys, after today, I'll be using my voice. I'm not gonna just hello guys. You see, I have played this game for a long time. You see, I have updated it. Kaya mamaya pa sa speaker. By the way, when I get older, I want to be just like YouTuber. I gotta do this video fast because I can only pause for 15 minutes. I have to drive in my age. If I will hold 15 minutes longer. Yeah, this is. Okay, that's actually I'll be using my voice and go with my video. And by the way, if you guys are playing Total Defense, I don't play those games anymore. Because I've been standing there all the time. I don't know why. I get unraveled. I'm going to ask. Thank you so much. Please, Dragon. Oh, yes, it's my friend. Nice. I won't say it's good, huh? Ever since I was a kid, I really loved. But guys, if you really want, it's okay. But if you don't want to subscribe, it's okay to me. But I would just want to what video should I do next in Scooby-Doo? I only make Scooby-Doo videos now. But comment me what's your favorite game on Roblox, and I'll play it. And I get done, my mates. When I get done, just checking my recording, just to make sure that it doesn't go past 150 or longer. Tanka, please, my typing speed not upgraded. There he is, my boy. DJ always close is a close. DJ always close our typing or DJ. Because it's cute. It's not like a joke. But DJ. He really loves chocolate. If I don't finish this video, guys, maybe I'll do another. These guys' laser cameras are so OP. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys I'll finish this part. I'll just finish this part, okay? If there's any recommended games you want me to play, I'll play. Because you guys are my fans. And that's my fans. That's all for today. Like, share, and like, and subscribe, and comment your favorite gamer, and even your favorite game I play. And recommending games on Roblox is really okay to me. Well, bye bye guys.